Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Sana. I do a lot of unboxings, unbaggings, lookbooks, hauls. I sprinkle a few vlogs here and there, a few beauty videos here and there. So if that's something that you think you would be interested in, go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today I am going to do an unboxing video, which is one of my favorite things. So yeah, what I'm unboxing is the Coach Pillow Tabby. I've been wanting her for a little while, actually for a lot of while. I've actually had it for a little while, but I just haven't unboxed it yet. I haven't had a chance to unbox it yet. But I'm about to go to the movies to go see Doctor Strange, and I feel like it would look good with my outfit. So it's time to unbox to see what I got. So she comes like this. I'm really excited because I have a couple of Coach pieces. Like I have a bucket hat, I have some boots that I've had since like high school. I got this really cute like fuzzy furry clutch, which was like a collaboration with J-Lo. And now I have her. She's so cute and little. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all know I love little bags. Like little bags are my jam. So this is no different. I've been wanting a silver bag. Oh yay, she comes with a crossbody. And she also comes with a little shoulder strap. So yeah, this is perfect. This is how she looks on the inside. She has like a little place to put your cards. I guess this is like a little care tag. But yeah, y'all know I like small bags. So when I saw this, I said I needed her in my life. Honestly, I wasn't sure what color I wanted to get. And I think silver was like the only, silver was the only fun color. So that's why I went with her. I'm really excited. She's so cute. Like my phone will fit in here. I can put my keys, my cards, everything. I'm really excited. She has a magnetic closure. So it's perfect. I'm gonna cut this thing off. Oh. So I'll try it on with the shoulder strap first. I don't think this is gonna be shoulder. This is more like carry on the arm. Yeah. No. Maybe if I don't have my sweater, let's see. Yeah, still no. So this is more like an arm carry, hand carry, not a shoulder. So cute. I love it. And then let me do crossbody strap. Y'all know I love a crossbody bag. to me, I feel like they're just so convenient. So you can be hands-free, but still have all the stuff you need. That rhymed. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Why do they make it so difficult? Like, thank you for wrapping this stuff up, but Lord. To be honest, I would probably keep the hand carry strap on just in case. Oh my gosh, you know what? This is like 3 bags in one. It's a clutch, it's a hand carry, and it's a crossbody. Love that. Love that for me. So I'm gonna hook the crossbody strap on the back side of the handle so that the handle falls right. Oh, my strap keeper fell off. That's what that noise was. This is how it looks as a crossbody. Super cute. Can get in and out, easy access. I love it. I'm happy. And it looks super cute with my outfit. Let me put the strap keeper back on. She's super cute. I love her. I'm happy. I don't think I have any silver bags. So I think that's another reason why I wanted to add her to the collection, because I don't own any silver. But yeah. And I love that it's the mixed metals, because mixing metals is definitely in. Don't let anybody tell you different. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Do you guys own a pillow tabby? If you guys do, let me know what size and color you have. I want to say this is the 18-inch. This is the, I think. But this does not look 18 inches. It looks shorter than that. But I'm pretty sure that's, let me see, because I have the receipt. Yeah, so it comes with a receipt like this. Yeah, 18. Cool. It comes with a little care card too. I totally forgot about that. It says, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you at customercare@coach.com or their telephone number. So, I'm pretty sure this is like a leather. It feels like leather. It looks like lambskin, so it's kind of sensitive, or it could be calfskin. I'm not sure what Coach uses for their materials. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. If you guys own a pillow tabby, let me know what color and what size you have down in the comments below. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments below as well. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.